we're throwing fireworks in the refrigerator box, and as Faye mentioned, Muffin Man is also in the refrigerator box.
And look at the puss on his face.
Just look at the puss. And then shut the flat door. Shut it! Oh! Fire in the hole! I got another one for you, Muffin Man. Watch out! Danger? Yeah, it's dangerous. Don't try this at home. There you go! Shut it! There you go!
Fire in the hole. Fire in
Got
the hole.
two! Oh!
That got my thigh.
The box is going to catch fire. The box is not going to catch fire. Oh, nice! I like that! Incoming. No! Fire in the hole! Oh! Watch out, Muffin Man. Watch out, don't hit me back.
He's trying to plug the hole that you guys are dropping the fireworks into.
No more.
Oh, hey!
No!
There you go, watch out. Fire hole!
Done.